When it comes to protecting your Medford, Massachusetts home, nothing is more important than a quality roof. FRS Roofing Plus Gutters is your trusted partner for roof replacement services in Medford and surrounding areas. Our team of experts has over 20+ years of experience in the industry, delivering top-notch services to homeowners in the area. At FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, we understand that a new roof is a significant investment, which is why we offer a free estimate and consultation to help you make an informed decision. Our team uses only the highest quality materials and advanced techniques to ensure your new roof will stand up to the elements for years to come. We take pride in our work and strive to exceed our customers' expectations every time. With FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, you can rest assured that your home is in good hands. We offer a range of roofing solutions, including asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and flat roofs, to meet your specific needs and preferences. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact FRS Roofing Plus Gutters today for your roof replacement in Medford, Massachusetts. Choose FRS Roofing Plus Gutters for your roof replacement needs and experience the difference of working with a trusted, reliable team. Call us at 781-322-6252 to speak with one of our friendly representatives and schedule your free estimate. You can also visit our website at www.frsroof.com/roof-replacement-medford for more information on our services. Protect your home and family with a quality roof from FRS Roofing Plus Gutters.